Hey everyone, that's Dino with One Time Plumber, and today I'm going to show you what's in this bucket. So what are we doing with the bucket? I'm glad you asked. I'm putting together an essential toolkit for the DIY plumber. Basically a beginner's kit, a starter kit if you will, and it's the essentials. It's just the basics that you need. No getting into cutting pipes, no getting into the major kind of projects and problems that we get into, but the minor stuff that you should be able to do around the house if you have the right tools with you. So that's what I'm going to show you, and the bucket is the first tool. It saves you money on a kit. You don't have to go out and get a professional plumber's bag or a tool kit to hold all your stuff. I got everything for the beginner right in this bucket. So why not use the bucket as your kit holder? Okay, bucket was number one. What else do we got in here? Let's start with the easy stuff. All right, it's a really hot day, so I'm glad I got these. But basically what you want to have are a bunch of rags. One good one is all you need, but I tend to buy these cheap little bags at a Home Depot or Lowe's or plumber supply store. Next up, easy again, gloves. You gotta have gloves. Protect your hands at all costs. If you're gonna be doing stuff around the house, the last thing you wanna do is get interrupted by a trip to the emergency room. This is what you call a crescent wrench, and you can see you have this little dial here that allows you to make it adjustable to pretty much any size. I would recommend a 10-inch to get started. Okay, here's the next thing you need. It's a pair of channel locks, about 10-inch again. A channel lock is actually a brand name of a tongue and groove plier. Tongue and groove, a lot of it comes from the name that one thing is it is adjustable. You can go like this, so you can get a lot of different sizes. But notice the grooves where the crescent wrench had a flat surface. This has grooves that dig in. These are Allen wrenches or hex wrenches. Yeah, these are great for doing things like a faucet. At the bottom of a faucet, you want to take the handle off, you're gonna need one of these. And you put it in a little slot and you just untighten it, take the handle off, put it back, tighten it back up. Okay, let's go to probably the most basic thing you'll ever use. Screwdrivers. You can use these in a lot of ways. Obviously there's things to screw and unscrew, but a lot of times I'll actually use a flathead to pry something open. This is what's called a hair snake. It's a little plastic device. You can get these in metal too, but basically you just put it under that stopper, the little pop-up that comes out of your bathroom sink drain, and you place it in there, you move it around, you turn it around, pull it back up, and you'll be amazed at how much stuff is stuck on here. And you've just saved quite a bit of money getting a plumber to come out. So this is a great little tool. Only costs about $3. Now let's whip out this bad boy. This is called a drain auger or a toilet auger, and basically it's for any kind of clog that happens in your toilet. All you need is a size that's about a 1/4-inch snake, and that snake is about 15 feet. For problems that really go beyond 15 feet into your drain system, you probably want to use a professional plumber for those kind of jobs. I have what's called, this black one is called a flange plunger, and I'll show you why. It's because it has this piece attached to the flange, which is attached to a cup. So this is what you want to use on a toilet. You never want to use this on a sink. It's for recessed holes or drains that you have to put in and create a watertight seal in, like your toilet. That's why this kind of plunger doesn't work for a toilet. This is actually a One Time Plumber plunger that we give out to all of our customers on their first visit. But this is actually a flat cup plunger, and you just use these for sinks. So it's got to be on a flat surface to work. You want to use them in the right place. Don't mix them up. You don't want to use the toilet plunger on your sink. The smallest item that may be the most important. This one can actually prevent water damage, thousands of dollars of water damage in your home. And it's simply called Plumbers Tape or Teflon tape. It goes on threaded pipes, threaded metal pipes, and you wrap it around, wrap it along the threads in the same direction as the threads go, and it'll create a watertight seal that will prevent leaks in the future, whether it's an outdoor spigot, whether it's an indoor faucet in your bathroom or kitchen. This is a handy little tool, and this only cost me 57 cents. We have made it to the end, and at the bottom of this bucket is a heck of a surprise. It's almost like Santa's bag. This is the last toy, and I'm about to drop it off in the chimney of the last kid on my route before I go back to the North Pole. That's how excited I am about showing you this. I should be having hallelujah noises going off right now. The utility knife. Basically, it's a box cutter. Okay, not as exciting as I made it out to be, but really, really handy. You're always going to be needing to cut things. Anything from the packaging of a new drain kit that you bought that you want to install, to maybe a garden hose that you need to cut through. So there you have it. Everything in your bucket list for creating your own DIY plumber's essential toolkit. 10 items in total. This is all you need to do some really great little projects around the house. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and that really helps us know that we're on the right track and making videos that really are helpful to people, and we'll keep doing them for you once a week. Thank you. I'm Dino with One Tom Plumber. See you next week.